Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this fashion designer outfit and dress and dress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one. And then for the color, you're going to make it black color or dark brown. Okay, make it like this. And then you're going to put on the sunglasses. Make the frame black and put on this earring, and then this hat. For this hat, you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then you're going to combine it with this accessory, and you're going to apply the same pattern for the first selection until the third selection. And for the last selection, you're going to color it black. Okay, and put on this ribbon on the neck and make it black. And this boot from the cuts item, make it black for all the selection. And what else? Okay, this one, this item, and you're going to make it thick. Okay, make it thick. And the next one, guys, I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to put on the suit, and I'm going to choose toggle 3. And for this one, we're going to apply pattern. You're going to apply this pattern. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this corset. Okay, just leave it like that. And then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, from this changing room, I'm going to choose this skirt and I'm going to apply the black color for the first selection. Okay, and for the next selection, make it black as well, and I'm going to make it this color for the third selection, fourth selection, and the last selection. Okay, and I'm going to put on this top as well, and I'm going to make it this color. Well, sorry, I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to make it toggle 3, and for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the next selection, make it this color. Alright, and sorry guys, for this corset, you're going to change it to toggle 1. Okay, and you're going to apply this pattern. Alright, and wait, I'm going to go back to the changing room and put on this dress and make it skirt only, and then apply this pattern for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the cuts item and put on this leg warmer, and then I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and I'm going to move to the jeans area, which is right here. I'm going to put on this jeans, and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to select this bag, and for the bag, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the last for the next selection, I'm going to leave it like that, and put on this item, and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create fashion designer outfit and dress and dress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.